Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the Wafer Marking Studio, a super straightforward and intuitive tool that makes creating and managing your wafer designs a breeze. Let's get started. First things first, launch Wafer Marking Studio to get to the main interface. Right in the center, you'll see a steel blue circle representing a silicon wafer with a diameter of 200 millimeters. Want to change the wafer diameter? Easy. Just click the Settings button to open the Settings dialog. You can switch to inches and set the radius to 3, 4, or 5 inches. Or, if you prefer the metric system, set the radius to 125 millimeters. Hit the Save button and boom! Your wafer diameter is now 250 millimeters. Over on the left, you'll find a drop-down menu with all sorts of objects you can add to your design. TrueType fonts, line segments, circles, polygons, and even specialized objects like Semi T1, and BC412. Let's start with the Semi font. Click the Semi font button and move your mouse around. You'll see the Semi font appear on the screen. Press Shift and the number 3. Then click the left mouse button to embed a double-density Semi m13 font right where you want it. If you don't press Shift, just press 2 and click to embed a single-density Semi m12 font. Hover your mouse over the double-density Semi m13 font to highlight it. Click to select it. When your mouse cursor turns into a small cross, left-click to drag the object wherever you want. If the cursor turns into a small donut, left-click to rotate it. You can also change the text in the property window on the right and click Confirm to save your changes. Need a closer look? Click the Zoom In button from the top menu to see more details. To zoom out, click the Zoom Out button. And to go back to the original view, just click the Fit button. Now, let's add a Semi T1 object. Click the Semi T1 button, move your mouse, and left-click to embed it. You can drag and rotate the Semi T1 object just like before. In the property window, change the text. Make sure the 9th and 10th characters are the vendor code. If it's not recognized, change it back to @ or forcefully save it and click Confirm. The small cells of a Semi T1 object can be either small circles or small squares. Choose your preference from the property window, but remember, the filled option only applies visually. It won't affect the laser scribing. Next up, the BC412 object. Click the BC412 button, move your mouse, and left-click to embed it. Change the text in the property window and click Confirm to save. You can drag and rotate the BC412 object as needed. The barcode part can be either vertical bars or a series of small dots. When you choose dots or circles, the number of dots in a vertical bar ranges between 11 and 22. To save your design, click the Save button on the top menu and give your design file a name. To start fresh, click the Create New button to clear the current design. To load a saved design, click the Open button and select your file. To export your design as G-code, click the Export button and name your G-code file. This file can be further processed using other laser scribing software. To connect to your laser scriber, click the Connect button on the top menu. Choose the COM port and baud rate in the property window, then click Connect. Finally, click the Engrave button to send your design to the laser machine as G-code commands. And that's a wrap. This guide should give you a solid start with Wafer Marking Studio. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to reach out to us at support@barcodesoft.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.